If you have a will, there's always a way, and Penang does offer that great career journey.
Penang is definitely one of the top states in Malaysia to live and work.
I'm originally from KL, and I've been staying in Penang for more than 15 years.
I've just started about a year ago. I relocated here to Penang from Kuala Lumpur.
Penang is an interesting decision that I made, right, to be in Penang. Right? It was all through a job opportunity. During that transition of myself to Penang, I've seen and learned a lot of things, seeing how Penang grow, right, how the infrastructure being matured over the course of time.
The reason will be primarily the focus on my career growth and all, as I see that Penang is booming with a lot of industries and that I don't have to worry about my career growth and journey.
Penang does offer that great career journey, right, through professional learning, through on-job training, right, and there's a lot of multinational companies that are actually investing in Penang.
I see there's a lot of opportunities, starting with Micron, I believe. Semiconductor in Penang is really huge, and it definitely can offer a myriad of opportunities.
I feel very comfortable, I feel relaxed, I don't feel stressed out with the traffic, the commute, and I do find that, Penang has better way of socializing, right, and people tends to be very together here. I was also having a good career path right now, a good traction with my work, right, feeling very accomplished with what I do. I love the greeneries around Penang. The food is great too, right, and I would say that, apart from that, the cost of living in Penang is very satisfying.
And I see that whatever I did in KL previously, like hiking and all that, I could also do here because they have beautiful hills. Penang has these beautiful worship places, be it temples, be it churches.
During my off days, I always go for recreation. Right? I tend to go for a walk around the tracks, right, around the trails. I could spend time with my friend doing cycling around the coastal highway.
So there are days I just walk around all the streets, and there are also times where I walk into cafes and read book and enjoy a cup of coffee. I also choose another day to go to the beach side of Butterfinghi.
You don't spend so much time commuting. That's where I felt that the work-life balance really, the hours of savings from commute, don't limit yourself because you will not know what the future actually holds for you.
Stay on. You're doing a great job. You're helping the economy boom. There's no reason for you to move out or look for any other changes because Penang is definitely one of the best. And to those who are contemplating, still thinking whether you should move to Penang, you will see there's so many bullets that will win your heart.
This is my Penang, my workplace.
This is my Penang, my workplace.